Hey, my name is Precious Walton. My career and academic plan. Success ahead. I have a poem by Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou inspires me of being a strong, black, beautiful woman. Who is Precious? My name is Precious Walton. I come from Fraser, Tennessee. I graduated from Fraser High School 2010. I became shot March 12, 2008. So living from that, it kind of scares me, but sometimes I have to pick myself up and keep going. I have a strong, beautiful family, so that's why I want to get back in school and continue my education. My journey. As the journey I go through, long, hard, long hours at Subway. What a day at Subway. It's hard, but sometimes I have to pick myself up, dealing with other people in customer service, fixing sandwiches, cashing them out, and them being rude. So therefore, I have to pick myself up, keep going. I want to continue my journey as in school and becoming an education teacher. Precious journey. My career goals are to become an early childhood director at my own child care facility. My academic and financial plans are finishing school and being financially stable so that I can take care of my family and myself. My dream job is to become a director of a child program. My goals to success. My career goals are to finish school, completing my degree. I also would like to focus on the 38127 area where I grew up to help the children in my community. The requirements of my career path and having a bachelor's degree. Career path ahead. Academic financial plans. As I go through college at Southwest, I plan to still work at Subway to help with my additional funds needed for school. Next, I will transfer to U of M working on my bachelor. I plan to utilize financial aid, scholarship, and possibly student loans to help with school funding. My dream job. I want to be able I want to be able to change the lives of children in the community. I want to teach them how to be young women and men and good to contributions to communities. I also would like to be a voice of my community to be the voice that speaks up for our children to have that we can eliminate violence. I plan to use my child care as a resource center for families to better themselves as well. My dream job. Closing. In conclusion, that I have a hard task ahead of me. Accomplish my goals of completing school, becoming a child care director, and helping the community. But I want to stop until I have achieved my goals. Closing.